Hi, this is Keith All, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn to spruce up your website design using WordPress, and they have an animated headline widget within the Elementor Pro version page builder. This could possibly be done through certain other free widgets out there, but I'm just going to show you how to do it using the Elementor Pro version page builder for WordPress. And they have a widget called Animated Headline. And as you can see, this is one way that you could use it on your website. So I have a video playing in the background, and then the animated headline is basically it takes a group of text or words that you put into the widget, and it will display it every few seconds. It'll cycle through the phrases that you put in there. So let's see how we could do this in the WordPress environment. Let's go over to my back office and dashboard. And I already opened up a page and created a page in WordPress, and I'm just going to add a section. Then I'm going to come over here and just put it in full width because I want to put a video background with this, just to show you how you could use this animated headline. And again, you don't have to have an animated or a video playing in the background. You could have just an image. You can play around with it and be creative with this design widget. And let's height, minimum height, let's just put 800. And then let's go over to style. And I'm going to put a video background, so I'm going to click on video, and then I'm just going to grab a video that I got off of YouTube, and let's see, let's grab this, paste that in there. Give it a few seconds to load up. But what this does is you could take any video that you want, and you could take a specific section out of the video, so it just automatically plays on your site. And this option here, you could start it at 10 seconds into the video and then end it at 70 seconds into the video. This particular video is actually only 42 seconds long, but you can play the entire video or just a certain section, and it'll just recycle through it and repeat. It'll play it in a loop basically. But anyways, now let's add the animated headline. So let's go up here to the upper right in Elementor Page Builder and click on this grid here, and it'll open up all the widgets. Now this is in the Pro version, so the Pro version is basically, there's many different levels that you could buy into Elementor Pro. It just gives you a lot more widgets. So if you don't have the Pro version, you could click on the link in the description below, and you could look at all the plans that they have. Just to let you know too, it is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase it through that link, I will get a small commission, and I appreciate it very much because that helps me take time out of my day to produce these tutorials for you. Anyways, let's scroll down. You could either search for it here or go into the Pro section, and here it is, animated headline. So let's grab it, let's put it over here, and now it gives you many different options. This option right here that I'm playing here will just reproduce it, but there are many different options you could choose from, either highlighted or rotating. I'm going to put in rotating. And how do you do it? Now, in my case, I'm putting in, let's see, typing, drop in, wave, slide. Let's do drop in. And then you could put before text. I'll show you in a second. Let's reproduce what I'm putting here. You only live once. I'll explain. Let's see. You only live once. Plan your ultimate, and then explore a world. So what this is going to do is, let's see, let's spell that correctly. What this is going to do, this animated portion, it's going to cycle through all these phrases and display them on your screen. And you could either just have these, and what this before text and after text is, meaning that I could put some text here and it'll always display this text right prior to this these phrases here. So that's how that works. But I'm just going to leave that out for right now. Let's style it. Let's make this make the text white. The type actually the text color, this part of the headline, the text color would be the before or after text. Meaning if I had text here, that's what I would style. Let's just style the rotating text, which is right here, which is animated text. And then typography, I'm gonna, let's see, just a second. So to increase the size of this text, you would actually come over here under headline and do the typography, and this is where you increase the size of the text. So let's do that, and then the typography here, let's do 700 is bold, and this is the text color. So basically this is how you use your animated headline to spruce up your website design. Again, there are many other options that you could play around with by rotating or highlighting the text. Let's see here. And that's what highlighting does. Let's go back to rotating, and it rotates this. And one trick that I learned from someone else, and I forgot who it was, otherwise I would put them, give them a shout out, or in that, is if you place a space between each one of these, it will act like, okay, it's going to display this, then it'll display like a blank line, then it'll display this, and then it'll display a blank line, and then it'll display this next line of phrase. So it gives you more time in between each rotating phrase. So if you want that effect, you have that option also. So play around with it. Hopefully this gave you some new design ideas. Remember to like and share this video, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I will look forward to answering them for you. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.